All right, next.
Hi.
Hi.
I understand that all roles are open, correct?
Yeah, so far.
Awesome. I have loved this movie since I was a child, and I feel that I could probably portray a lot of roles. So I was going to perform the Elephant Medley
Okay, yeah.
as both Christian and Satine, the Sparkling Diamond.
The Sparkling Diamond?
Yes, the Sparkling Diamond.
Okay.
You know, to lose.
Yeah, to lose.
Yeah. So are you ready?
I am. Are you?
Great. I brought my computer just in case, because I wanted to sing a version that had both on it. It's a karaoke version. Is that okay?
I mean, well, we actually did say that we don't want any background.
I just really feel like it would help me.
I feel like a cappella is the way to go, man. But
could you just make one exception, just one time?
Yeah.
Awesome. You are so kind. Thank you. Okay. Love is a many splendid thing. Love lifts us up where we belong. All you need is love. Please don't start that again. All you need is love. A girl has got to eat. All you need is love, or she'll end up on the street. All you need is love. Love is just a game. One second. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. The only way of loving me, baby, is to pay a lovely fee. Just one night, give me just one night. There's no way, 'cause you can't pay. In the name of love. One night in the name of love. You crazy fool. I won't give in to you. Don't leave me this way. I can't survive without your sweet love. Oh baby, don't leave me this way. You think that people would have had enough of silly love songs? I look around me and I see it isn't so. Oh no. Some people wanna fill the world with silly love songs. Well, what's wrong with that? I'd like to know. 'Cause here I go. Yeah. Love lifts us up where we belong. Get down where eagles fly on a mountain high. Love makes us act like we are fools. Throw our lives away for one happy day. We can be heroes just for one day. You will be mean. No, I won't. And I'll drink all the time. We should be lovers. We can't do that. We should be lovers, and that's a fact. Though nothing will keep us together, we could still stand just for one day. We can be heroes forever and ever. Forever and ever, we could be heroes just because I will always love. I can't help loving you. How wonderful life is. Now you're in the world. This is the moon that's singing their holy.
Thank you. That was.
Toulouse. That's just in case you wanted to see Toulouse.
Well, oh my God. Well, I appreciate that.
Awesome. I thank you so much for the opportunity.
No, thank you.
You sound like you enjoyed it.
I really did.
Great.
Yeah. You have a great night.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Yeah, don't forget your laptop.
Oh, yeah.